All right, everybody. So let's take a look at a couple of markets. We'll go with gold, ES, and crude. So gold, daily downtrend, right? Here, clearly see that it's in sell, 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 Y, breakdown, lower low, breakdown, lower low, sell, 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 sell. All right, so any pullback is a sell. And what you had, was it here? It was somewhere, I don't think this. Yeah, so there was something over here where you had this break right here. All right, so you have a base sideways and you break. You had about biggest in three. What was it? Three columns. So it's not heavy, but you had some selling in the background, based out, and then bang, break. Over here you had about 1900 contracts that it broke on. So then the thing tested and up thrusted this high at the 8:30 open and then went down. So this was this is a challenging trade, no doubt about it, because you'll probably be looking to enter here, and it went and did the up thrust. So that just happens sometimes, and you just have to be ready for it. And it's better to also establish after the morning session, not before it. Otherwise, they'll use the volatility to do the stop run, and then take out the liquidity high and then go lower. All right, so now let's move on to the next market. So this one right here, market, it made a small base. This is crude. I know, obviously know that crude longs are working like crazy because it's the strongest market. All right, so when you have the strongest market, relative strength and all that, it works out. So what you had here was a pullback. So I'm watching this pullback here, and then here's the reaccumulation right there. Right there. That's 5,000 contracts in this, and then it breaks out. So it offers, it's not a crazy move, but when it pulls back and then it pops up like that on volume after accumulation was done over here, it offered the pullback. Now granted, these are end of week short covering or whatever, small moves, but they're moves nonetheless. So if it was from this area which tested to this wave, that's all you're gonna get towards the end of the day, So, and after that, they just sold. Okay. And now it's on back here on sells, but it's back here. But the high time frame is on buys. So just wait for more accumulation, reaccumulation. That's what they're doing in here, by the way. They're holding this area and going to go sideways, and then you probably get another nice spike. All right, let's see the. So for the ES is on sells. So you're looking for sells, right? And basically, I didn't really see enough distribution, but I did see accumulation. And right here, you see this 46 and rally, then comes back, guess where? Right to the 46, right? So this one, I missed this one because I want to go eat, but it's very clear that there was accumulation right there, and this was the base breakout. I don't know why there aren't very high volume prints here. Who the hell knows why, but this was a base. You can see that this right here is a base, and the breakout is right there. So you go up, down, and boom, and then fall through. And then later on it came to test that area. As it tested that area, there was accumulation right there on the 46,000. Bounce, pull back, they reaccumulated at the same level, 29,000 this time, right there. How you know is after the volume, you're going to have a direction given by this bar. So if it was going down, it would be distribution or some breakdown, absorption, whatever. But the fact that you have all of this and then it pops up like that means that it's accumulation. So accumulation, accumulation because of this green bar, and then it held. So when it held, you had a shitty move, but a move nonetheless. This is a low risk move right into resistance area. And that's all you're gonna get. It's just end of day bull, you know. But I mean, you could tell obviously that something's going on when you have 197,000 contracts, and the supply totally dried up here with the shortening of the thrust, with this big wick. Usually these big wicks, they're present, and then bang, and gives a nice test to the minor creek, breaks that high, pull back, retest, retest, hold, reaccumulation right there, tap, 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 retest, and goes up. So anyway, I missed this trade because of, it was at lunch. But long story short, if you want to learn more about this method, go read Wyckoff's Division 2. And you just need a wave volume and point figure, tapering chart, and that's it. And then you just trade. And I think you do need to have a model in your mind. Like the model I have in mind is very simple. It's accumulation, markup, distribution, markdown. That is the natural price cycle. The price cycle, that's how it moves. And you see this all the time. I mean, you can verify it. It's not fictitious or any bullshit like that. Here you have accumulation, boom, up, cycle down, reaccumulation, boom, get some more, goes up. So this is the way the market moves. Anyway, take care. Thank you. Bye.